Hi there, my name is Mohammed Zini and I am React Native developer with over 4 years of experience building high quality mobile application for both iOS and Android. I specialize in crossing platform mobile apps using React Native with strong experience in management, Redux, API integration, Firebase, performance optimization, and delivering smooth native like user experience. I have worked on projects ranging from e-commerce platform, social media apps to fitness trackers. My recent app reached over 1,000 downloads within the first few months and received excellent user feedback. If you are looking for someone who can turn your idea into a fully functional mobile app, I am here to help. Let's connect and build something amazing together. Thanks for watching.